Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the scene and adding the ocean modifier to a large plane. This produces the base displacement you need. First, switch to Cycles or Eevee and set a 16:9 render at 2K if you want crisp detail. Then add a plane, scale it to about 10x, and add ocean modifier with size 5, repeat 7. Once done, increase resolution to 16 and choppiness to 1.2 so the geometry captures wave detail. This creates the sculptural foundation for shading and foam. You now build a physically plausible water shader. It's where realism is won or lost. Start with a principled BSDF. Set roughness to 0, 0.3 transmission to 0, 98 and IOR to 1, 33 to mimic water's optical behavior. Then plug the ocean modifier's displacement into bump or normal input and mix a noise texture for tiny ripples, which adds micro detail. Next, set up environment lighting, an H-dry at 0.8 strength and a warm key light at roughly 120 degrees, and make sure to add a faint rim light for silhouette definition. You finish by adding foam, final displacement, and optimal render settings so the ocean reads on screen. Generate a foam mask from geometry height or bake the ocean modifier to a texture, then drive a white diffuse mixed with the water shader to emphasize crests. For heavy displacement, use adaptive subdivision or bake to a multires mesh. This prevents artifacts. Finally render with denoising, 512 samples, and film transparent if you plan to composite. If you see strange seams, check normals and rebake the displacement. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.